You probably wouldn't believe me if I told you I put this whole thing together in under 30 minutes. Delicious spinach and cream cheese stuffed chicken breast. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen where sometimes we do keto, sometimes we do low carb, but we always do delicious. Guys, today's recipe is so quick and so easy, but your friends and family will think you're a master chef. What we have today is a cream cheese and spinach stuffed chicken roll up. Takes minutes to put together. Put it in the Kasori 6.8 quart dual blaze, and in under 20 minutes, you have yourself a delicious meal. So let's get to it. Start by chopping 2 cups of spinach and place the spinach into a bowl. Place 4 ounces of cream cheese into a microwave safe bowl, microwave for 30 seconds, and add to your spinach. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder and combine. With a sharp knife, carefully split your chicken breast down the middle. It's really important that you use a very sharp knife for this step. It's really a lot safer using a sharp knife. Next, cover your chicken breast with some plastic wrap. Now, if you have a meat tenderizing hammer, you use that. I have a 2-quart saucepan, and I'm going to use that to flatten my chicken out until it's roughly 1.5 times its original size. Next, season your chicken with salt and pepper, and then repeat this same process of flattening the chicken and seasoning it with your other chicken breast. Next, apply your cream cheese and spinach mixture to your chicken breast, making sure that you cover the entire breast but leave a little bit of space around the edges. And then from there, carefully roll your chicken breast up and set it aside. For our breading mixture, take a 1/4 cup of pork rind panko along with a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Give it a quick whisk and then place the mixture onto a plate. Last, gently roll your chicken breast into the breading mixture, getting a nice coating on there. You don't have to coat it too heavy. And then transfer your chicken breasts into the air fryer basket and air fry for 18 minutes at 380 degrees. Okay, let's see how she looks. Looking good. And the broccoli just came out of the Instant Pot, so that was perfect timing. We'll go ahead and get this all plated up. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, spoiler alert on this one. I already know it's going to be delicious because I cooked it last night with a friend of mine. She went crazy for it. I was actually in the kitchen showing her how to do the recipe. So it was kind of hard to do a video when you had 2 people crammed in that tiny little kitchen. But I just had to make a video of it today for you guys because it is so good. And I'm going to give it just a little taste test because I'm intermittent fasting right now. It's 11:30 in the morning. Really shouldn't be eating any calories, but I'm going to cheat just a little bit for you guys. So let's have a bite. And what I remember from this last night was that the chicken was so juicy, but we had a nice crispy crust on the outside with that 0 carb breading made up of the pork rind panko and Parmesan cheese. I'm going to give this a little bite. I'm cheating on my fasting for you guys. Remember that. Guys, you really are going to want to give this recipe a try. I'm going to put this away into my refrigerator and have it for another time, and I'll see you back in the kitchen. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, you know the drill. Give that thumbs up a click. And if you'd like more content like this, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. Guys, I tell you what, I continue to be impressed with this Kasori dual blaze air fryer. It seems like it can just cook anything, It cooks it better. It cooks it faster. I really love it. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description of this video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add a link to this in all my videos, because if you don't have an air fryer and you're on the fence, I highly recommend this one. If you do have an air fryer and you want to upgrade, I would consider this an upgrade. This is a great machine. I'm going to be doing a lot more recipes using it. So I hope you enjoyed everything. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.